In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display labels on a Jira board. Labels are super helpful tags that make it easy to categorize, filter, and organize your issues. First, log into your Jira workspace and head to the Your Work section. From there, select the project you're working on. Each project has its own settings, so make sure you're in the right one. Next, go to the backlog and choose the issue you want to label. Once the issue detail opens, look for the Labels field. If there aren't any, you'll see None. Click it to start adding. Now you can either select an existing label from the drop-down or create a new one. Existing labels help maintain consistency, while new labels let you tailor tags to your project needs. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added labels to your Jira issues, making your board more organized, searchable, and efficient for the whole team.